Hi, hope you are doing great. So quickly, I'd love to share with you guys the numbers of fishes you have to stock in your pond, depending on the size of ponds you have in your farm. Before me here is 1,000 liters tank here. 1,000 liters of water will fill this particular tank here to the brim. But take note, we are using this tank for fish farming, so we are not expected to fill up this tank to the brim just because we are using it for fish farming. So the minimum level of water you are expected to fill to pump into this particular tank here is 500 liters. That's half of the pond. That's just the minimum anyway, 500 liters. So this is the formula. It takes 10 liters of water for a single fish to survive 24 hours a day. Again, it takes 10 liters of water for a single catfish to survive 24 hours a day. So if we are having 500 liters of water in this pond, simply divide 500 divided by 10, that's 50. So you are not expected to stock more than 50 fishes at grow out size in this particular pond. In case you have in case you have ponds bigger than this in your farm, simply get the liters of water that is in that pond and simply divide it by 10. Then you get the numbers of fishes you are expected to stock in that pond. So that's that about that. If you love what you see, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook, kindly like our page. If you're on Twitter, kindly follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching this video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.